like, I think I can.
This requires a systematic.
This guy's not to be messed with. Not to be messed with.
Hey folks, B1 here. Want to do a little talk about my Fummins pickup. A lot of people ask me, now why would you do a Fummins build, Fummins swap? Why wouldn't you just go buy you a truck with a Cummins in it already, or a Ford? And the answer is real simple. I wanted a certain motor with a crew cab long bed chassis, 4-wheel drive, and the motor that I wanted was pre-def, pre-emissions malarkey. So I was limited to which model of Dodge that I could have or that I could buy, and I didn't want a 6.7, I wanted a 5.9, and it didn't necessarily have to be a 12 valve, but I had some issues with my 05 Dodge, and I started having kids, and the wife was like, this back seat's too small on the Dodge, so I sold that one, and I didn't have a personal truck for a little bit. I was just driving my work truck, and then I decided to do the swap and started looking into it, started looking at what the best swap motor wise, truck wise, as far as ease of installation and all that. So I ended up going with an 04 F350, and that's what you see behind me. And it's got a 1997 12 valve in it. I bought a dually, 97 dually Dodge, and pulled the motor out of it, me and Doug, and we put it in here. So this is, to me, it's a really good combination. Venture to say that it's like the holy grail of pickups, because it's the 97 12 valve, which was the last year of the 12 valve. After that, they went to the 24 valve, and it's just a really good truck, really super reliable. Man, starts up every time. One of the contributing factors on me picking the motor was the fact that I didn't want any computer controls on the motor. So this is all cable driven, everything's mechanical. Got the P7100 fuel pump. It's got a mechanical wastegate on the turbo. The accelerator pedal is wire instead of computer or electronic. Yeah. The only thing that's on this truck that is still computer is the 5R110 transmission, which if you've seen any of my other videos, one of these days I may take that out and put a 6-speed in here. I'm not sure yet. Right now it's working fine, so if it ain't broke, don't fix it. So I've got it's got 5-inch exhaust with a resonator instead of a muffler to cut down the drone inside the cab. Got a little bit bigger turbo on here. I wanted a pickup that didn't haul all the emissions crap on it, but still had a 5.9 motor with a big back seat, and Dodge did not start making that until 2000. They started making the Mega Cab, I believe, in 2006. And at the time when I bought this truck, the Mega Cabs, an 06 Mega Cab, was going for between 30 and 40. I picked this truck up for 10,000, and I've got about 10,000 in the build with the motor and parts and all that. And luckily, I got Doug to come over and help me with all the installs, so that was puto gratis, as they say.
We'll catch you on the flip side, you dang hillbillies.
Good shit.
Oh,
Way to go, Fred.
Fourth beer.
That trick.
ain't sitting too good.
Wow! Chicken! My chicken got loose. Hey, have you seen my chicken?
10% really got me going.
Is that DNR?
All right, cook those. Cook those two.
B number 2, who you never met before.
I'm here. I'm alive.
Oh, we got a little yum. Oh, baby. We are gonna eat good tonight.
What does that mean?
Salt, pepper, garlic.
Nobody knows what it means, but it's provocative and it gets the people going.